In this quick video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP Envi Inspire printer in case something got stuck inside. How do you retrieve that piece of paper? Well, it's very easy. There's a few places where you can look. Let's start with the first one. So over here, this is this is the front panel. Simply put your hands on the sides and lower it down. Next, you're gonna put your fingers here and raise this top cover. Now, if we take a look inside, we're gonna have access to the internals of this printer. Take a look and check if there's any paper, or sometimes it's just a small piece of paper stuck over here where you see these white rollers. If you don't see anything, there's also another place where you can check. This blue thing over here is a handle. Glide your fingers like this and pull up. You're going to remove this panel, and this will give you access to this space over there where paper often gets stuck. This is actually made to fix paper jam. This is what they're describing right over here. So take a look. If you see anything, take some tweezers or maybe your fingers, remove that piece of paper. Don't forget to put back this when you're done. You just have to glide it there. Another place you can check is over here. Okay, this is where the paper comes out of the printer. Sometimes paper gets stuck, so take a look, take a flashlight, and maybe you'll find the paper right there. Another place where you can look is right over here where the paper input is located. Open the drawer, remove every paper, and then take a look inside. Sometimes stuff gets stuck there. You can also bring this gray tray. Look, is there something stuck? No, perfect. Another place where you can check, well, first turn off your printer and put it on its back. Down below, if you pull this paper tray, okay, you'll see your paper there, piece of paper, okay, and now you'll have a better looks inside. Hopefully the paper that is stuck will appear to you over there. That's just another place where you can check. After you find your paper jam, I always suggest you disconnect the power cable from your printer. Wait about 30 seconds, plug it back, and then power on your printer and everything should work again. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment.